Found in the 1,000-coloured lagoons of the island, these jewels of the sea have been the stuff of dreams for centuries. A tropical take on the iconic Mai Tai, a taste of paradise if ever there was one. Chill a sling glass and put to one side. Place 2 dried apricots onto a cocktail stick. Collect a cocktail shaker and add a couple of dashes of Angostura bitters. This is perfectly complemented with sweet cinnamon. Guava is a fruit that grows freely around the Gambia Islands. Freshly squeezed lime adds natural acidity and balance. Bitter Truth Apricot Liqueur is a delectable spirit laced with ripe fruits. Hailing from Phuket in Thailand, Chalong Bay is very reminiscent of the French agricole style of rum and is sweet, fruity, and subtly floral. Clermont, VSOP Rum Agricole, has a smooth, mellow, and oaky character that is a perfect recommendation for any cognac or single malt lovers. Add cubed ice and shake for 10 seconds. Open. Dip taste. Drain excess water from the sling glass. Fine strain. Top with Fentimans Ginger Ale. Lightly churn to integrate all of the ingredients together. Position the skewered dried apricots on top of the cocktail. Rinse equipment and replace. Present and serve.